Hi, let's make an M of the alphabet with popsicle sticks. Let's begin. First, take 4 popsicle sticks. Then, we'll draw lines with a scale on one popsicle stick. Then, we'll draw lines on the second popsicle sticks in the same way. Then, we'll draw a line on the third and fourth popsicle sticks in the same way. Then, will be cut according to their shape. After cutting all these popsicle sticks, glue them alternately. This is our M ready. Now let's make a stand to hold the M. Then first we'll take 4 popsicle sticks. Then we'll glue them together. Then make an egg-shaped pattern with a pencil. Then we'll cut it. Then we'll make a smaller one like this. Then we'll glue them all together and then place the M on it. This has become M from our alphabet out of popsicle sticks. If you like on a video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.